Good morning. With this video I'm starting a new series on my building accomplishments for my new project, which is called Skyefall. It's a piece of land I bought last year on the Isle of Skye. I've been looking for 7 years to find something that matches everything I wanted to have for my plot, which is Culin views, sea views, especially sea views to the west, so that you can see sunsets, but we also have good views to the east, so we can even see the sunrise, and maybe you can see in the distance the Culins, which are completely, the black Culins, which are completely covered in snow today, because last night, yeah, it's been snowing. I just asked the local minister if there had been any snow this year, and he told me no. We didn't have snow the whole winter. Now I came here to sleep in a tent, and what's happening is snow falling. Okay, but nonetheless, I want to introduce you to my plot and to what I'm trying to accomplish now in the next couple of days. As you see, there's a lot of growth here. So when we first came to work here in August, September last year, you couldn't really walk here because it was all covered in ferns, and we started, my buddy Franz and me, we started to go through the grove with a machete basically, and that's what it's looking like now. Where you see the bench, that's the future building site. We want to have a house here because maybe you can see the Culins from here. It's just marvelous. Then you have views to the east. The sun has just risen about an hour ago, so very low at the moment. And yeah, if you look there, that cliff, if you'd stand there and walk south, you'd come to Talisker within maybe an hour by walking. So it's just a beautiful sight. And as I said, I've been looking for it for many years. We got sheep close by. They're always walking through here. And here's what our future garden shall be. We already planted some trees, Scots pines, just like the Scots pines of the adjoining land, and a shed. And this shed shall be the focus of my next day's work. It's very basic, it's a Rollinson shed. The quality is very low, and I'm now trying to convert it into something that you can live in. And I'm happy to lead you through the steps I'm going to do for that. So I'll leave you for now. That's my tent. I haven't slept in it because it was too fucking cold. I had to sleep in the van. And that's it for now.